it's me, Miss A, for another segment of Ask Miss A. So I have a question from geometry. Lots of geometry questions coming in lately that we're going to be working out because we want to help our students work these problems out and show their work. Ask Miss A is all about sending in your work so I can work it out and show you the steps online. So here's our question. Given M is parallel to N, find the value of X. So in a geometry class or any math class, it's so important to understand what all the different symbols stand for. So if ever you see a symbol like that, we would say is parallel. So here's our figure. As we can see, I have line M right here, and there it is labeled M. And then I have line N is labeled here. Parallel lines are lines that will go on forever and never cross. They will never intersect. This line here that's, slicing through them, we call this a transversal. A transversal line is a line that goes through a set of parallel lines. And there's all kinds of different angles here, but if I take a look, it's giving me a value of 170 degrees here, and then it wants us to solve for the value of X. Here's what I want you to notice. This angle here and this angle here, we call those alternate exterior angles. Alternate exterior angles are always congruent. And what does congruent mean in a math class? It means they're the same, right? So if this is 170 degrees, this angle here, we call it alternate because it's on the opposite side of this transversal. And then exterior, we know exterior means outside, right? What that means is outside of these two parallel lines. So if this is 170 degrees, then guess what, y'all? X is also going to have to be equal to 170 degrees. So this one is a easy peasy lemon squeezy question, as my younger students like to say. If you have any other problems that you'd like to see me work through, go ahead and send me an email so I can do them for you here at Ask Miss A. All right, thanks, y'all.